guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you this really pretty Valentine's Day appropriate, like a very romantic makeup look. And I think this copper, like monotone look is so romantic and it just looks stunning on each and every skin tone, right from fair to even for dusky deeper complexions. I think this just looks stunning. I also have this box full of makeup products. I got all of these from Amazon on such great deals. I'm also going to share with you my speed reviews on how these products perform. Yeah guys, if you enjoy my content, then definitely take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell. It's free, but it will help me out a lot in growing my channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. I don't know if you can hear some background noises. I'm really sorry for that in advance, but like there's some construction going on. So anyways, the first product I use today is this Lineage Glowy Makeup Serum. It says hydrating long lasting makeup wear. I already tried this product in one of my makeup tutorials before and it just is stunning. So yeah, when I first got this, I swatched it on back of my hand and I felt like it did nothing on my hand because the consistency of this product is so lightweight. It's just like a water consistency. It immediately like absorbs into your skin as soon as you apply it. And since I had dry skin, I just didn't feel like it was doing much for my skin, but I was so wrong because this is such a beautiful product to give you that that dewy juicy skin, but at the same time it's so lightweight on the skin. It doesn't make you feel heavy or greasy or anything. Again, as I said, this is a water-based serum, so yeah, I think everybody can use it, right from oily skin to dry skin. I think it just works on everybody, and this cost 1,900 rupees. So yes, it is a little on the expensive side. I've used this like 3 times now, and all 3 times I can tell you that this just made my skin look so beautiful, and it also made my makeup last longer. It is so cute. Look at that. It just looks so cute. It's pink, it's cute. And I think for this month, for Valentine's Day, if you want to gift someone, I also think this is a great gifting option. Again, if you have the budget and if you looking for a good lightweight glowy serum, then I think you will definitely like this one. Okay, the next product I have, I think this is the brand new product from Mars. So it's called as a Mars God's Glow Primer. They say it's a secret potion to your luminous skin. Look at the packaging. Oh my god, it just looks so freaking pretty. And just for rupees 369, you know what, like this is like top notch, And the glass bottle is like, it's so thick and heavy. It's not that cheap sort of a product. It just feels like you're holding a like a good quality product. That's what it feels like. Again, this one also is similar to the previous one. It is like a glowy primer, and anything which says glow, I'm just sold. I'm like, just take my money already. The consistency of this one is different. So that's how it looks like. Okay, and once I just massage this into my skin, the shimmer particles kind of vanish. Yeah, it just becomes undetectable. But this is an oil-based product, not like the previous one, the water-based one. If you have dry skin, it can also moisturize your face as well. For oily skin, I don't know if you would like it because it just feels a little bit heavy on the skin. If you're looking for that nice glowy primer, I think this is a beautiful product and you can definitely check out. So next for my foundation, I finally purchased Miss Claire Everyday Foundation. And this foundation is hyped by so many people, and I always wanted to buy it, but again, for some or the other reason, I kept on delaying it. The shade that I have got is called as Caramel, and I think this shade matches me very well. So I first applied it all throughout my face, and I also try to build it up on the areas where I have some marks, and as you all can see, the coverage is amazing. Okay, and it just covered up all of my marks, my pigmentation. Still did not make my face look cakey or heavy or anything. If you're looking for a very affordable but really good quality makeup like foundation, then you will definitely enjoy this one, and I highly recommend it. I actually loved it so much. And next, to set my makeup in place, I got the Mars Trend Setting Powder. I think they have around 3 to 4 shades in this. I'm just so glad that there's not that one setting powder for every skin, because sometimes those setting powders can look very, very ashy. It doesn't match with every skin tone, and I'm really happy that brands are coming up with like different shades to match different skin tones. So I was debating between brightening and banana powder, and I finally got the shade brightening because I don't know, on the website the banana shade looked very yellow, so that's why I went with this one. And oh my god, I just love it. It's not a white shade, but it just beautifully brightens my skin. And as you all can see, I just applied this with my sponge, and that's the way I like to apply my loose powders. It just gave that nice flawless finish. At the same time, it beautifully set my makeup in place, and it did not make my skin skin dry or anything. So yeah, all in all, I absolutely love this product so much. If you're looking for that good budget friendly, loose setting powder, I think this is stunning and you definitely have to give this one a try. So next, let's move on to some eye makeup, okay, because I have some really great products. So the first one I want to talk about is this combo from Wet n Wild. You get this Nude Awakening eyeshadow palette. It's a 10 pan eyeshadow palette, and again, if you guys want to see how it performs, I already have another like Valentine's Day look on my channel, so you can definitely go ahead and check that video out to see how it performs. And the other product you get this combo is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and this in the shade Precious Petals. This highlighter has so much of hype and I wanted to buy it from really long time. Look at that. The packaging is just so stunning. Even here, look, it just looks so nice. It is such a beautiful, like a champagne gold highlighter. I think I got this combo for around 350 or 380. This one palette in itself, cost rupees 799, and this highlighter cost 699. Okay, even in offers, just the palette itself, you get it for around 300-350 rupees. And to get both of these in a combination for such an affordable price just blew my mind. So that's why I immediately ordered this one, and I absolutely love these products. They perform so good. So the eyeshadow palette that I used today to create this gorgeous copper romantic look is this one from Mars. So again, I think this is their latest launch. It's called as Mars the Palette. That's it. That's all it says on the packaging. So I think they have like two different shade tones. So this in the palette number 1. Okay, I was looking for a good affordable, like berry rosy shade palette, and I found this one and I immediately ordered it because the shades in here are so stunning. And I already knew like Mars, they always come up with such good quality, so I already knew the quality is going to be amazing. And also guys, it's not only just an eyeshadow palette, but you also get a highlighter, a contour, and these two are blushes. Now moving on to the tutorial, you guys, I took this shade first and applied it all over my crease and my outer corners, and next I used this this copper tone shade. I just took it like this and swatched it on my hand, and that's the pigmentation I got. It is so good. Again, you can see from the demo itself, it just performs so beautifully. The pigmentation is bang on. It has that beautiful shine, and it's not just like a copper shade. It also has like golden shimmers in it, which looks so stunning. I also applied this on my first half of my lower lash line. In my inner corners, I used this shade. It performs so good, and I definitely can't wait to try out this palette and create more like Valentine's Day appropriate looks. And let me just swatch like again a couple of shades. I'm gonna swatch this matte. I'm also going to swatch this shimmer. Those are all the shades from the palette, you guys. Again, as you all can see, the quality is just top notch. So yeah, again, I use this shade as a contour. It's more of a bronzer shade because it has that really nice warm undertone. It does contain like golden shimmers. Like it's not too much, but yeah, it does contain like some gold like shimmer particles. And moving on, I also used these two shades. I just mixed them together and applied as a blush. So again, these blushes are not too pigmented. You have to work like build the blush on. The shades in here are very soft toned, and I think it just looks stunning on those like rosy pinky looks. I think it looks stunning. And if you're looking for a good like a very budget friendly rosy tone palette, I think this is the one for you. So next I have these liquid blushes that I got from Amazon. Actually, what I was searching for, like I just typed in liquid blush and these popped up. They've listed the ingredients and everything, but I'm a little scared to use such non-branded items or like makeup brands that we don't know about what they use in these the ingredients and everything. Yeah, but since I couldn't find anything which was as affordable as these ones, I just wanted to like give them a try. And let me tell you guys, like these, when I first watched them, I was just mesmerized with the quality. It's just so stunning. The pigmentation is on point. So if you like that semi dewy liquid blush, then this is something that you can absolutely check out. And you only need like a very tiny amount, just a tiny dot is enough to apply your blush. So yeah guys, again, I really enjoyed using this. And the last blush product I have today is this one from Swiss Beauty. It's called as a Swiss Beauty Professional Blusher. Actually, it's their matte blush or something, and this is in the shade Soft Nude. Now the reason why I got this blush in the first place is because of this shade. Now look at this, you guys. It just looks so damn pretty. Like the packaging is stunning. It reminds me of the K Beauty's Soft Nude blush. So that's how it looks like. I'm gonna grab my K Beauty blush because I know some people will ask me if the shades are same. They're not. They are very different, as you all can see. This one has a little more pink hints, but this one is a beautiful, beige brown blush. Couldn't use this in today's video. Again, I only have one face, so I cannot use everything. I have used this in one of my previous videos. Again, I think in that same Valentine's Day look. So you definitely have to check out. I'm gonna link it right here. And I absolutely enjoyed, using this blush. And I think it looks really pretty on almost every skin tone. It just goes out of stock so quickly. Find it, and if you like the shade, then grab it immediately. Okay guys, so next product I used for my eyes is this Bellora Paris Ice Cream Kajal. This cost rupees 2.99. If you guys don't know, Bellora Paris is a cruelty-free vegan brand. This is a retractable kajal which is very creamy. It just glided on so smoothly on my eyelids. It has really good pigmentation, and even the shade, this black. I like my black kajals to be like black, not gray or not like light black or anything. It just has to be black, and this is perfect. Easy to apply as well. So absolutely love this product. I did not use it on my lower lash line to see how smudge proof this kajal is, but for my first impressions, I would say it's a really good one. And next I got these 4 eyeliners. Again, these are from Mars Cosmetics. It's called as Colorful Charming Eyes Liquid Eyeliner, and you get white, blue, green and black liners in here. I got all of these 4 on a combo price just for rupees 2.99. So that's how all the 4 shades look like. I did use this shade, which is green, and as you all can see, the pigmentation is just stunning. It performs so good on my eyes, and I really like this felt tip as well. It was very easy for me to create that wing. And if you don't want to spend $2.99 on 4 of these, you can also buy a combination of 2. So you can check out, and they are actually pretty good. Okay, the next product I have is this Mars liquid eyeshadow, and this is the outer packaging. Now I couldn't use this in today's video because, as you all can see, I already have such stunning eye look, so I didn't want to like mess it up using more. It's in the shade Celestial Comet number 03. Felt like this shade would be perfect to create some really good Valentine's Day appropriate look. So that's the reason I got it. I have one more shade in this previously, which I've got. Again, I've never showed it on camera, but formula is just stunning, so that's why I had to like buy one more shade from this. Okay, so the next product I have for my eyes is these lashes that I got from Amazon. It's from the brand called as Kalilis. It says faux mink eyelash multi-pack. So you get 3 pairs of eyelashes in here. I've already used one today, and you also get this eyelash glue, which is very convenient. You don't have to again go ahead and buy one more like separately. This brand is cruelty free and vegan as well. This price I felt like it was very affordable, and the lashes look so premium and good. Today I just applied these really simple looking eyelashes. It looks so natural and it's very comfortable on my eyelids, and it was very easy to use as well. These lashes don't feel like plasticky or anything. The quality is actually very nice, and I really love this one too. So next, moving on to my kajal. Again, this is the last product that I have for eyes today, and this from Pack Cosmetics. It's their Kohl pencil, and this is in the shade Coffee Brown. Now I recently also got the shade called as Skin, which is a white pencil, and if you ask me, I think that's the best like white pencil I've used till now. So let me just swatch it right over here. It's the perfect shade of brown. It glides on so smoothly, and it performs really good on my eyes. Again, I've used this a couple of times now, and it is so amazing. And I think it is only for rupees 350 or 360. So definitely for that price point, I think this is amazing. The quality is top notch. So next, moving on to highlighters. I did buy some highlighters this time. Like I got around 3 highlighters. I already showed one, the Wet n Wild one, but the next highlighter I have is from Mars Cosmetics. It's called as a Mars Wonder highlighter, and again, you guys have been asking me to create like full face of Mars Cosmetics, and that's the reason why I got these many Mars products today. Packaging is stunning, and also you get this magnetic closure. Like, what? It is so good, and you get a beautiful mirror in here, and this is how the product looks like. And I did use it today to to highlight the high points of my face. I got the shade Gold. I think they have around 3 shades in this, so that's how the shade looks like. Oh my god, it's just so stunning. It's, again, if you like such golden highlighters, you will definitely enjoy this one. The next highlighter I have again is from Mars. I think this is also one of their latest launch. It's called as a Mars Spectra Glow. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. So it comes in this tube packaging. I got the shade Champagne. Again, they have around 3 shades in this. I already have so many products on my face, so I was not able to use this, but let me just swatch it for you all and show how stunning this one looks like. Okay, so this is how the product looks like, and let me just swatch it for you. Look at that. It looks so stunning. So I can't wait to try it in my other video, probably in my full face of Mars Cosmetics or something. So now let's move on to some, lip products. So first I have these two lipsticks from Bellora Paris. It says as World's Matte Popsicle Lipstick, and I got two of these. Actually these and even the kajal was sent to me in PR from the brand. So it comes in this really pretty, cardboard packaging, which is very, very colorful. And moving on to the lipstick in itself, again they come in different colors like this, which is very fun and very different, and the quality is again very good. So the first shade I swatched is this one. It's called as Peachy Poland. Again, as you all can see, it's such a pretty, very girly, like that peachy tone lipstick for romantic makeup looks or soft tone looks. I think this shade is going to look stunning. These are not like non-transfer proof or anything. We feel very comfortable on the lips, and they have that one swipe full pigmentation. So it's just a normal regular lipstick. So if you're looking for a good vegan, cruelty free, like good quality lipstick, then you can definitely check them out. Next lipstick I swatched is in number 20 Malaysian Mauve. This is a very pretty, that rich dark vampy burgundy shade. As you all can see, most of the darker shades like lipsticks, they look a little patchy on your lips, but this one has that smooth one swipe full pigmentation, and it feels very, very comfortable as well. So the next lipstick I have is from Faces Canada. This is their Comfy Matte Lip Color. So it's their latest launch, and this is only priced at rupees 399. So again, I really like the packaging of this one. So that's how the shade 08 looks like. It's such a pretty, like a very warm orange toned color. If you're looking for a good, very comfortable liquid lipstick, I think you definitely have to check this one out. It's really nice. Yeah, and the last lip product I have today is from the brand called as Ras Luxury Oils. So this is a made in India brand. As blushers and lip glosses, lip oils are very much in trend these days. I actually don't own any lip oils, and I wanted to give it a try. So I found this one on Amazon, and they have 3 different shades. I think they have one mauve, this, another red shade, and I went with the new shade as usual. So this is in the shade Nude Brown. Again, as you all can see from the application, it does have some pigmentation as well. Like, it's not just that gloss or like a very sheer tint or anything. Even if you have like pigmented lips, it will cover up to 85 to 90%. I mean, if you eat or drink anything, it will move because it's a lip oil. But other than that, I think even the lasting power also is really nice. I did test it out yesterday, and I noticed that it has some weird taste. I did not like the scent that much, and I didn't like that taste, that weird taste that leaves in my mouth. But the product is stunning. It just looks so beautiful, and it's very glossy and shiny looking. And look at that, it just makes my it just makes my lips look so juicy and nice. So this price at rupees 1090, and on sale I got it around 950 or 980. Yeah, I did not like the price point. The product is good, but it's not as good as paying like 1,000 rupees for this. So yeah, that's that. So yeah guys, that completes today's video. I hope you all enjoyed my tutorial and my mini reviews on all of the products that I used today. So yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, then definitely go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell. I'm gonna catch you all next time with another interesting one. Until then, stay happy and stay safe. Bye guys.